A volcano is an opening in the earth's crust through which lava, ash, and gases erupt. When pressure builds up, hot lava, gas, and ash can be pushed out slowly. There are three types of volcano: composite volcano, shield volcano, and mud volcano. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Azan Hamid.
And my name is Fars.
We are from class 6. Today I will explain you a volcano.
For this experiment, we need water, vinegar, dishwashing soap, color, and baking soda.
We will put some quantity of vinegar. I will put it.
Now I will add dishwashing soap.
We will put some quantity of baking soda.
Now add food color.
The last thing is water. We will put some quantity of water. This is a volcano. Mountains like a volcano.